Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we will continue our series on testing out different type of tricycles for toddlers. Today we have the Doona Liki Trike. So this one is on the more expensive side of things. So this at the time of filming is almost $250 on Amazon. I'll put all the product down in the description below so you can go check it out. One of the reasons why we want to get this is it got really great review, and I have seen kids riding this neighborhood as well. I just wanted to test out with our kid. Now right out of the box, this thing is so easy to unbox. Our box is pretty much all set up. Unlike other tricycles, you have to physically assemble it, but this you unpack and it's pretty much it. Aside from the fact that you have to put in the parent handle and a storage bag on the back. So we got this is the S3 model. Now they do have a little bit more upscale, the S5 and the Midnight version. Those are exactly the same bike, but just the material that they use a little bit fancier. Aside from that, that's pretty much it. So we didn't see how to justify the premium cost on those two other versions. But if you have the money, yeah, sure, go for it. So as I was saying, this tricycle, you can fold it down, it becomes really compact. The way you do it is really simple. Now you need to take out this parent control arm. Now the canopy, pull it back, and the armrest, take it up. If you have the cup holder in the front, take it out. There's a little button here where you push and the handle comes down. What you need to do, there are two big buttons on the front. You press them down. At the same time, you pull the handle on the back and this folds right down. Now in this position, there's a yellow tab on the back. Voila! Look at how compact this is. So this one has 4 different modes, 2 of which I should just consider as single mode, but they do advertise as has 4 different modes. And it's for kids 10 months to 3-year-old. And the maximum weight for this tricycle is at 37 pounds. Now as you can see, this is it. It's very compact. The parent handle, you can extend it out. So I'm at 5'10", and this is very comfortable in terms of pushing the car. And one of the great things about this one is at the back, they do have a brake, a wheel brake on the back. So you can actually stop the car. But once you step on it, you can still kind of push it and only lock on one side of the wheel, not on the other one. So it only locks on the right side. Now, this thing comes with canopy. So yeah, obviously for kids that's much younger, you can cover the baby's body with the canopy. Doesn't seem like it will cover all of it, but it does help. Let me just show you some of the key features in terms of the 4 different modes to see what they look like. And also, mind you, this is the only tricycle that we have tested so far that can fold up. So it will become much compact if you want to take it out and travel with it. Now the current mode with the canopy is for the initial mode, which is for 10 months to 18 months. And so this is it with the armrest, canopy, and the seatbelt, which is a harness here for the baby's safety. Now the pedal will be on the side here. It's not really a pedal, it's more like a step for the kid to put their feet in. So once you push the car, it will not bounce around and hitting the front. Now the second mode is for 18 to 24 months. Now what you need to do is actually take out the canopy and also the armrest. Now it's really simple to do. As far as for the canopy, it's on the back where you just pull up on both sides and this comes right out. As far as for the armrest, there's a button on the front where you can lift and then detach, and then there's 2 buttons on the back, red buttons. You push it and then you pull the armrest out And there you have it. So this is the second mode. You leave the step in, and so you can still strap the kit in if you need to. But this is what the second mode will look like. Now the third mode, which is from 24 to 31, and what that entails, like I said, the second mode and third mode, it could be just the same one. There are two red buttons on the bottom, so you press upward, and then you pull out the step, and then you put it in front to the front wheel. And same thing with the other side. And now your kid can be able to sit in here and pedal along. Right now I unlock the pedal against the wheel, so when the lock is disengaged and the pedal, you can pedal all you want, but it's not going to engage the wheel. Now you could lock the wheel with the pedal. It's on the left hand side here, and once you lock it, there's a red button here. And now if you pedal, the wheel will go with it. Alright, so the last mode is from 30 month to 36 month. What you need to do is take out the backrest here. You do need a screwdriver to do that. There's a nut, well, there are 3 nuts here. The one that you need to take out is the one on the bottom, one on each side. So you take out that small bolt, small nut there, then this whole backrest can come out. And you're going to replace with the accessory here. This comes with the tricycle, and what you do is just slide it down. Let me show you real quick. And also you need to take out the buckles here as well, the harness. Now, it's relatively easy to do. Once you unscrew the screw, it will have 2 screws and 2 nuts that will come out of it. So make sure that you don't lose them, because once you put the backrest on, you need to put the provided screw back on there as well. Now before you slide this out, take out the seat cushion here. The way that you take it out is by, there are 2 tabs on the bottom. You just pull to the pull out, and then this will come out like so. And then now you can remove the seat buckle and the harness. And once you slide this out, make sure you put the seat cushion back on. And now you can put the new backrest back on here. And make sure you screw this on. Now once you screw this back on, what you need to do now is to take out the parent handle. So now as you can see, it's even smaller and more compact. Now even in this stage, you can still fold this up. The way that you fold it up is just same as before. Make sure this handlebar is down. And then press the 2 buttons here and then pull the back. And voila. Now let's talk about likes and dislikes. What I really like about the Tricycle is its size. It's super compact. So if you live in an urban environment and space is an issue for you, this probably is a solution for you. When you take your kid out, this can expand into a tricycle where you can push your kid, but at the same time, once you come home, you can put inside a compact car, got no issue. And I will argue that this will be even smaller than some of the strollers out there once it's being contracted into the most compact form. And also it does have harnesses and armrests to have your kids safely enclosed inside the little tricycle. So some of the things I don't like about it, obviously, let's talk about the elephant in the room. This thing is expensive and almost $250 compared to all the other tricycle we have reviewed. This is by far the most expensive one. If you have seen our jogging stroller reviews, this is actually more expensive than some of the bigger jogging strollers out there. The price can definitely pull some people off from getting this tricycle. And another thing is that this tricycle, even though it started at 10 months, which is a great thing, but it ends at 36 months. So once your kid has reached over 3 years old, then you might need to look for something else to replace this tricycle. So this has a age limit and also a weight limit, which is at 37 pounds as well. And last thing, I was kind of nitpicking, but it would be nice if they have some kind of tray on the top of the pairing handle, so I can actually put stuff. Even though they provide you with a storage bag, it's just not as handy as having a tray or basket for the matter. So this concludes the review for Doona Liki Trike. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.